Hey guys, my name is Marlo. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to beat any power bill, guys. That's right, beat any power bill, because we all suffer from high power bills, guys. But right behind me is my thermostat to my AC unit, and I have another one upstairs because I have two AC units. But this strategy is going to help you save so much money on your power bill, so you better listen up. And if I saved you ASAP after what I'm about to tell you, better write in the comments, you saved my power bill. So a lot of people don't know how their AC units work, but pretty much when it's hot inside your home, all that heat gets sucked into those vents and your ceiling, right? And there's coils that are actually inside your ceiling in your attic or basement, either or. And those coils cool down that hot heat, and then it goes outside those AC units outside. And that's why there's a fan outside and the pretty much heat leaves your home, guys. But a lot of people have restricted airflow right now as we speak, and they're paying high power bills. So that's why I thought about this video. But about a week ago, when I thought about doing this video, I was like, man, it's a little warm in my house. So I'm gonna show you with this thermostat how I knew there was something wrong with my AC unit. And a lot of people ignore this. And what happens is their AC breaks down, and then they actually need to get like a home equity loan or some type of loan to fix their whole AC unit because they ignore this. So let's get started with the video. All right, guys, here's my thermostat inside my home right here. But here's the strategy to know if you need to clean your coils in your attic and the coils outside. I'm gonna show you the locations with this video. But first, check this out. You'll know that you have restricted airflow when, see these numbers, how it says 76 here, 76, they match. That means that, you know, my AC is cooling and it's coming to temperature, and it stops my AC units outside, and it's not running 24/7. Your AC unit needs to take breaks, guys. So if your temperature is 4 degrees or higher than the number that you want it to, it never comes down, that means your AC unit is 24/7 and is not stopping like a normal AC unit, and your power bill is skyrocketing, guys. Skyrocketing. So I'm going to show you the areas in your attic and outside. This won't be a complete video on how to clean, but I will make another video for you to know how to clean your coils. So you better subscribe, because this video is going to save you a lot of money, guys. So here we go. So guys, cleaning your AC coils in your attic and outside keeps your air conditioner working properly all year round, guys. But what happened to my home was that I have two AC units. One AC unit was working and the other one was not working, guys. So that also will restrict airflow and make your thermostat higher than normal on your thermostat. So that's what happened to me. I went outside and I saw the AC unit was never kicking on, guys. So I'll just, throughout this video, I'll show you the first thing that usually goes wrong with your AC unit, and I was able to change that out and help the airflow with my home. So I'm gonna show you the areas real quick, and we'll get over with this video. But I will show you a more detailed video on how to clean your coils, guys. I'm just showing you the areas right now. All right, guys, before doing maintenance on your AC unit, always release the power here, and that releases the power from your home to your AC unit. And also, as a backup, do the electrical panels, usually outside in your garage as well. All right, guys, to release the panels from the AC unit so you can see the coils, I just used a screwdriver with the hex, and it releases all these panels. All right, guys, your AC coils outside are very sensitive. So if these are clogged, which are everyone's home, everyone's coils get dirty, guys. And it may not look dirty, but inside these fins are very filthy. As you look down here, all these leaves, all this dirt and filth, right? So if the heat can't escape your home, the airflow is restricted, your AC will never shut off. It runs 24/7. And what we're going to do is take a hose, and then I have this cleaner here. After I hose down with water, because a lot of people's AC units are even more dirtier, and then you spray this down with this no rinse chemical, let it sit there and evaporate, and then hose it down one more time. And once you clean these coils, guys, your power bill goes down immediately. Look at all this filth, guys. And don't be lazy. Take off all the panels. I see a lot of these videos, they're not taking the panels off, right? You want to clean these. If you don't do it thoroughly, you're still going to suffer a power bill. Make sure when you prop this fan up that someone's there to help you prop it up, because you don't want to break these wires here. But clean from the inside out. All right, guys. If you don't have a hose, and high pressure is not better because you don't want to crush these fins, guys. You don't want to crush these fins. Just use water. I'll show you an example. If you don't have a hose, you can use one of those pump-up sprayers. And those pump-up sprayers, I'll put a link in the description so you can find something cheap and inexpensive. All right, guys, after this, I'll show you up in the attic where to find your coils. Hey, guys, so I have my metal hose here, man. These hoses are so durable and kink-free and lightweight. But I'm just going to spray from the inside out, guys. All right, guys, this is the pressure I'm using. You don't have to go too high with pressure, guys. You don't want to damage those fins. You just start from the top to the bottom. Get everything down there. And everything leaves at the bottom. There should be a hole somewhere. Oh, it's down over here. The hole's down there for all the dirt to go down. All right, guys, I have my cleaning spray. After we rinse down, we're gonna spray the foam. And this also has inhibitors to prevent corrosion. And then after you let this sit and evaporate, you can do one more rinse if you want to. I'll share this down below, guys. All right, guys, remember I told you my AC was not working. So whenever you find that your AC is not working, what you can do is reset the electrical panel outside. Turn it off for 30 seconds. Try 30 seconds to 45 seconds and turn it back on. If it doesn't turn back on, that means something's wrong with your AC unit. Usually it's just this capacitor right here. And there's only 3 wires. Make sure whenever you're messing with anything electrical, you turn off the electricity, the outside panel, and you pull this plug here as well. But yeah, just 3 wires. That part's only like $24 you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. So my other AC unit, I replaced that, and that was it, guys. But make sure your coils are always clean once a year. Let's go upstairs, guys. All right, guys, so here's entry to my attic here. I have a ladder. A lot of people don't have ladders, guys. I highly recommend this Little Giant Mega Light. They're very inexpensive, and they're adjustable to different lengths. So I'm going to use this ladder. If you don't have one, I'll try to find a link so you can find it. But make sure you know the positioning, because look how high I am from down there. You don't want to fall, guys. So I'm going to show you from my perspective on how to find your coils up in your attic. So let's go up here. Everyone has this, guys. It's either in your basement or your attic. A lot of people don't go up here because they don't have ladders, right? So look, this AC unit all the way back there. I have 2 of them. One here with the blower. That's a good sign. Now my AC's working. I can hear that blower going. And we're gonna make entry. This is where the coils are at. All right, guys. But if yours is really filthy, those HVAC guys, what they do, there's a pan under here to where it catches the water if you need to rinse it down with water. Mine is lightly soiled. It's not that dirty. And then what happens is when you're going to use one of those pump-up sprayers, you know, those bottles, and you pump the pressure and you would water down the coils, and then you use that foam sprayer. And then once all that water drains, it goes down here into the drain, and then the water goes down there. But we'll open this up. I'll show you how to find the coils. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm in the attic right now, and as you can see, I'm looking right at the panel that I'm going to take off. And at first, at glance, you'll see it and you'll be like, wow, how am I going to take this thing off? Do not take the refrigerant lines off. Everything is accessible. Do not take any of this off. All it is these screws here and screws here, and they're covered with mastic glue. And what you're going to do is just use your drill or a screwdriver to release those screws. And up here, there's glue as well. And you'll just use your knife, utility knife, to cut it off. And this is made in such a way so you just bend it forward and you'll access your coils. And as you can see here, it will say clean coils using water only. That's just as a default, because a lot of people will just use anything to clean up there, and you just cannot use anything. So that's there as a default, but we can use our no rinse cleaning solution for these coils, guys. So just a reminder, whenever you're messing around with your AC units or you're up in the attic, I have a light switch here for a light switch. And then also, this is the shut off up here to turn the power off, but also do the electrical panel outside as a backup, guys. So just a reminder, if you have 2 AC units, you'll have to do 2 of them. One here, and then my other one is down there. And some of these have filters, guys. Mine was optional. So next to this, you'll have somewhere where there's a slot for a filter, and a lot of those are clogged, but mine are in the ceiling on each side of this, so it's optional. If you don't see a filter around here somewhere, then yours was in the ceiling as well. All right, guys, so we have our spray in our hand, and we're gonna spray the coils, let it foam up. Stuff smells good, guys. Nice and citrusy. That cleaner in there, guys. And once it foams up and everything drips into that pan, you can wipe it up or use a wet vacuum and vacuum up all the filth, guys. So guys, it's a wrap. Hopefully I gave you a better understanding on how to clean those coils and save money on your power bill for a lifetime. I have a lot of good videos down below, so go ahead and check them out, and hopefully you guys subscribe. Bye-bye.